Hey, happy 2016, everybody. Having my usual chicken wings. Ghetto chicken wings this time. Went to the ghetto place. Get my wings. Mm. Ghetto wings. Uh, Champagne cola. Uh, you know, about this year. About last year. I already make too much video. I have those two videos up. You know, fight against crime, the night fight against crime, and the walk for downtown. This year I'm thinking about doing the run or walk thing. I'm gonna do a walk. And I'm gonna take you guys with me this year. I don't know about the. I might not. Everybody want me to or not. I just do it for the heck of it. Video it, put it on YouTube. Who cares who watched it? Cause no one ever watched my videos. I don't know why I'm doing this video, but maybe in 1,000 years, researchers will call YouTube, find my videos, and find it interesting. Yeah. I'm making a record here. To all you people in the future. Yeah. Hot sauce on ghetto wings. Ghetto hot sauce on ghetto wings. Ghetto ketchup on ghetto wings. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this video. I don't ever watch my videos. I don't get that many rappers. Who cares? Ghetto wings. Okay. Ghetto. 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 I'm just saying ghetto. Not really ghetto. So, everything I do, not really ghetto. So, I don't know why I'm saying ghetto. Let's just say from the cops don't want to go neighborhood. Not really the cops don't want to go because there is a police station there. Let's just say it's in that part of town that Hmm. A lot of police present, but not, but not for the reason you're thinking. It's easier to keep behind your prey if you're there. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing this year. I don't know what videos I'm doing. Maybe doing like maybe this year I'll do that one video I always wanted to do. Second thing is I should always have my video camera with me. But I always want to do, I don't know, videotapes. Something cool. I feel like if I don't have my camera, something cool is gonna happen. And if I have my camera, nothing cool ever happens. Um, I'm enjoying my wings from the neighborhood you don't want to be at nighttime. My chicken biscuit place. But to tell you the truth, the best chicken you're ever gonna have are in the sketchiest neighborhoods. Seriously. You go to KFC or Popeyes or Planet Wings near there, nothing. Uh, gas station chicken, you wouldn't eat that. Bodega chicken, and that chicken and biscuit place, that very good chicken. Now, now, the chicken and biscuit place I'm talking about is you go in, there's a Indian guy, not but the Hindu guy. You know that thing. Okay, that's pretty good. Second thing that makes a good chicken sandwich, because we have two here, it doesn't smell like the oil. You cannot smell burnt oil. The other one, you can smell burnt oil, so this one, they changed the oil. The other one, they doesn't. This one, there's no seating. Nothing. To order, get it, and go. The other one, they have places to sit down. That's not a good one. They have some place to sit. No. That that's a bad one. The good ones have no place to sit. The good ones will have off-brand sodas or like Mexican style thing with soda. The other ones will have name brand sodas. So no. Okay. Okay. The good one. Will always be next to a liquor store. Bad ones will never be. Will be next to, I don't know, a gas station. Not really a gas station, but day. Good ones will give you hot sauces like this. Bad one will give you a little thing of hot sauce. See? Good one will give you all this. Throw in a bag. Bad ones, a little bit hot sauce like that. No. That's a bad one. That's a bad chicken place. This is a good chicken place. Good one. The breading. You see the breading? How it's good on this one? The bad one will be a thin breading. Okay. That's a good chicken place. Good chicken place. Well, thick breading. Not thin breading. I'm white and I know a good chicken place. Trust me, you hey buy on the bad part and where a good chicken place is, they'll always recommend their chicken waffle, the good one. They'll tell you the bad ones, but they will tell you which one the good ones. And take my advice. A good chicken place. Good chicken place. The mashed potatoes will always taste like glue, but that's a good chicken place. A bad one, will taste normally. So I don't know. That's a pop. Was a good or bad chicken place, but so thinking about what good chicken places and bad chicken places. good chicken place will always have a high counter. A bad chicken place will have a low counter. Alright, I'm going to show up this video now. So I'll see you. I don't know. I need to. But yeah.